Alright, you've done the research, built your keyword list, and spied on your competitors. Now it's time for the most important part, taking action. In this ultimate bonus episode, I give you a rapid-fire rundown of what to do next to see real results without falling into common SEO traps. First off, keyword stuffing. Resist the urge to stuff keywords into every nook and cranny of your website. Gone are the days when jamming in as many keywords as possible worked. Not only does it make your content unreadable, but search engines will penalize you for it. Focus on quality over quantity. Create relevant content. Instead of overloading your pages, create content that genuinely answers the questions your guests are asking. Whether it's a blog post about top family-friendly activities near your hotel, or a landing page highlighting your pet-friendly amenities. Your content should provide real value while naturally incorporating keywords. Use keywords naturally in metadata, titles, and content. When it comes to optimization, place your primary keywords in key areas, your title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. But make sure they read naturally. For example, instead of luxury hotel spa London best rates, try with luxury spa hotel in London, best rates for a relaxing stay. And analyze rankings and organic traffic. Once your content is live, it's time to track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to monitor your rankings and see how your organic traffic is evolving. Keep an eye on which pages are performing well and which might need further tweaking. SEO isn't a one-and-done process, it's about continuous improvement. In just a few steps, you can move from keyword research to implementation, driving more traffic, better rankings, and ultimately more bookings. Remember, stay relevant, avoid shortcuts, and always keep optimizing. Now, go put those keywords at work and watch your hotel's visibility soar.